Behind the Stick with Q. Hi, my name's Quynh. I am the drinks creative for nipofcourage Australia. Today, we are making a twist on a Negroni called a Mae Rose, featuring Remedy Gin from the Reading Co Distillery in Bright, Victoria.
I'm creating this cocktail with the help of Bar Geek bar tools. If you're interested in purchasing these bar tools for home, go straight to the nipofcourage website on the shop page. For the first step, we're going to pour 1.5 parts of Remedy Gin into our mixing glass. This gin is juniper forward, featuring eucalyptus, pine needles, mountain pepper, followed by a rounded finish of green tea, shiso and honey. Next step is 1 part semi-dry vermouth. I'm using Causes and Cures semi-dry vermouth from Victoria. Then we add 1/2 part of Imgroglio bitter orange liqueur from Paul Tom's Distillery in Sydney. 1/2 part ruby grapefruit syrup from our friends at Monin, Australia. And finally, to round things off, 3 dashes of Mr. Bitters grapefruit bitters from Victoria. Stir down in a mixing glass with ice 10 times. What this does is chill down the cocktail and slightly dilutes and opens up the flavours. Strain into a rocks glass with a big chunk of ice. The reason why I use a big chunk of ice is to slow down the dilution, but to also keep the cocktail nice and cool. Finish this off with a grapefruit twist. And here you have a Mae Rose Cocktail. Enjoy.